The head is crowning. Yumi, we need one more push.
Doctor, her blood pressure is going down.
Put her on oxygen. Come on, Yumi, stay with me. One last push. Your baby's almost out.
I can't anymore.
Yumi, stay with me. Yumi, wake up. Yumi.
Yumi, wake up. Wake up, Yumi.
Yumi, wake up. Your baby's almost out. That's it, Yumi. One more.
Thank you, Doctor.
Do you have a name for him already?
Yes. His name is Bren. Bren Park.
Our director thinks we need to tighten up the budget for next quarter's operation. While my boss thinks he's just being paranoid. He thinks it's really not that bad. It's not really the client my boss wants, but my boss thinks there's something better. Sorry about ranting. Anyway, are we all set for Sunday? Yumi?
Huh?
My parents are very excited already. I told you. They've been pestering me about this engagement dinner for months, right? They think it's about time.
Gino, about that... Gino, I didn't tell my parents.
What do you mean?
I didn't tell them about the meeting.
Why not? Yumi, what's going on?
We've never traveled.
Huh?
We never take vacations, we never go someplace nice. We always eat here. They have good food here, I know, but we never try anything new. It's always the same.
Yumi, what are you saying? I thought we agreed to save our money for the future.
Yes, I did 3 years ago, but I didn't think that meant not doing anything at all.
Why didn't you tell me how you were feeling?
I tried several times, but before I could tell you more, you already had reasons for me not to say anything. I wanted to take photography lessons, but you criticized your friend who opened a camera shop. I wanted to go to Jeju for our friend's wedding, but instead you declined for both of us because it was peak season and the airfares were double.
What, you're upset because you couldn't attend your friend's wedding?
I'm upset because I'm tired. I'm tired of always wondering how it feels like to do something I want without feeling guilty about it.
Is that how I really make you feel?
I'm sorry, but I don't think we should stay together.
I don't understand.
Gino, you're a great guy. You take care of me. You're always there for me. But because of that, I don't know how to be me anymore. I don't know who I am without you. And I thought maybe if I was on my own for a while, I'll figure things out.
I'll wait for you to figure things out.
It's unfair to make you wait. I'm sorry, Gino. I'm really sorry.
I'll drive you home.
No! You are not going to the Philippines!
Yumi, you can't travel by yourself.
How do you know it's safe?
I can take care of myself. Besides, I'm going with a tour group.
Don't you really have any idea what's going on? The country's not doing good. How could you even think of gallivanting at this time?
Father, it's only for a week, and it's a trip I've saved up for.
What does Gina say about this?
We broke up.
What?
Did you break up over this?
It's not like that, Mother.
What are you doing, Yumi? Are you trying to ruin your life?
Father, I'm doing this for myself.
Honey!
It's official. Between the two of us, you're the crazier one.
I know. I just wish things weren't so bad at home. My parents won't talk to me. Gino probably hates me. Sometimes I feel so guilty I want to take it all back. But when I think about being stuck for another moment, I feel like my head is going to explode. I just keep thinking, what if? Tell me I did the right thing. Tell me it's not crazy.
Can't. Because if you think about it, it's really crazy. Most people would kill to have what you have.
This isn't making me feel any better.
Shh, let me finish. You have a future so planned out and so boring it makes me want to gouge my eyes out. But none of that matters if you're not happy. Nothing wrong with wanting something different.
You always know what to say.
Only because I'm so envious of you right now. Take lots of pictures, okay?
I will.
Flight 291 is now reporting.
Countries affected by the financial crisis sweeping through Asia are anticipating the further decline of their currencies against the US dollar.
Yumi!
Local government and farmers
Is that you?
Are you Melvin?
the worst selling effect in age 3 of the country.
Flight 291.
Mabuhay! Welcome to the Philippines! My name is Melvin, and I will be your tour guide. Today, we are heading to the beautiful island of Boracay. Are you ready to see the most beautiful beach in the world?
Yes!
I can't hear you! Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay! First, we are taking a flight to Caticlan. Then, we are taking a bus to the ferry port. Then, a ferry to the island of Boracay.
It's so beautiful, like a dream.
See? I told you.
Ingat lang po.
Salamat.
And welcome to Boracay!
I've never had fresh coconut.
Buko.
Buko.
Hindi. Buko.
Buko. Yeah, why did you do that?
Memory.
But I looked silly.
Then it's a good memory.
Anyway, what do we have for today?
I scheduled a spa session for you later.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
You bet it is, because I planned it. You know, I like you. I think we're going to be good friends.
Ayos, pare. Ayos!
Wow, a game.
Yes! Jack! Tapusin mo na to! Wala sa bokabularyo kong pagsuko. Hi!
Oh, how arrogant.
Ayos! Woo!
Wow, this place is beautiful.
Kap, iba ka talaga dumiskarte.
Oo nga, bilis mo mag-isip. Akala talaga namin talo na kayo kanina.
Guys, that was teamwork. Hindi lang ako yun.
Yan ang captain namin. Magaling na, humble pa.
Hi, boys!
Lapitin pa ng chicks.
Pwede po ba makipag-picture at autograph kay Sir Jack?
Sira ulo ka talaga, Alan. Huwag mo ako itulad sa inyo.
Sir, may tawag po kayo. Asawa niyo daw po.
Oh,
Kayo na munang bahala dito ha.
hirap talaga pag pamilyado na.
May beach party sa Station 2 mamaya. Punta kayo, ha?
Ayos!
Party ba ka mo?
Ang gwapo mo pala up close.
Thanks, miss, ha. Pare, magkapahangin muna ako, ha.
What's wrong with him?
Huwag yun ang pansinin yun. KJ talaga yun minsan.
Wow. Oh.
Stay away from me, you pervert, you maniac!
Miss, I'm not a
Don't
pervert.
come near me! Go away! Turn around! I said turn around!
Miss, miss. Alis ka?
Hindi raw bumababang lagnat ni Basti. Baka dengue daw. Dadalhin na siya ni Hasmin sa hospital. Hahabulin ko na yung last trip ng bangka. Tapos magbabaka sakali na lang ako sa airport.
Oh, sama na ako sa'yo.
Hindi na. Wag na. Lubusin mo na yung pahinga. Minsan lang tayo binibigyan ng break ni Coach, oh. Sana sa awa ng Diyos, okay lang si Basti.
Oh, sige. Kumusta mo na lang ako sa inaanak ko, ha?
Ikaw nang bahala magsabi sa iba, Jack.
O, tara. Samahan na kita sa pier.
Now this is a party.
Melvin, bili lang kami ng drinks.
Okay. Yumi, what's wrong? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Totoo ba yan? O chinichika mo lang ako?
What?
Yumi, are you still thinking about what happened this afternoon? Maybe the guy is here. Let's look for him, because I want to see him.
Melvin?
I'm just kidding. Ito naman. Just forget him and enjoy.
I'm not thinking about him.
Of course you're not. Let's go get some drinks. I guarantee you, it'll help you forget him, whoever he is.
Okay, you're right.
Inuman na! Sulitin na natin ang bakasyon dahil pagbalik natin sigurado pahirap na naman si Coach.
Tingnan mo tong captain natin. Wala sa sarili.
Pare, ayos ka lang?
Nag-aalala lang ako kay Basti.
Huwag ka na masyado mag-alala kay Basti. Lagnat laki lang yun. Matigas yun, mana sa tatay.
Tama si Alvin! Let's enjoy the night!
Ayun, oh. Okay sa all right.
Is that him? Uy, gwapo siya ha.
Let's go. I don't want to be near that guy.
Uy! Buti nakarating kayo! Oo nga!
Miss, sandali lang.
You again! Get away from me, you pervert!
Miss, please. Let me explain. I didn't know you were there at the beach this afternoon. I thought I was alone.
I don't believe you.
I swear, it's not what you think.
Who swims like that?
I've never done that before. That was the first time.
I'm not listening.
I'm telling you the truth.
Stay away from me!
Okay. I will. I'm sorry. I won't bother you anymore. Have you ever felt so suffocated you just wanted to run and scream? To just lose it all? Forget about everything? I'm sorry I was bothering you again. You don't have to answer.
I know how that feels. Was that really the first time you did that?
You know, that was crazy. I was trembling the entire time, especially when I saw you standing there. I thought maybe you were one of those girls who follow me around.
Girls follow you around? Wow, I know you're good looking, but isn't it awfully confident for you to say that?
I'm also good at sports.
Well, I can't deny you're really good at dodgeball.
So wait, you think I'm good looking?
What I mean was, well, you know, you're
That's okay.
not...
I think you're very pretty too.
Thanks. Ako si Yumi.
Uy, nagtatagalog ka?
No, not really. Just a few words. Melvin, my tour guide, he's teaching me.
Oh, okay. Just call me Miguel.
Nice to meet you, Miguel.
Nice to meet you too, Yumi. How long have you been here?
A day. I got here this morning. It's my first time outside Korea.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, very good time. Ikaw, you from here?
No. Also just here for a vacation, but this is not the first time I've been here. Are you going to take one of those tours?
I think so. What's with the face?
Those are boring.
Why do you say they're boring?
Because they always go to the popular spots. They always take you to the same old boring places.
Really?
Really? If you want, I can show you. What do you say?
I didn't think I'd find a place more beautiful than Boracay, but this, it's so beautiful.
You haven't seen the best part yet.
You're kidding. Meron pa?
Kaya pa?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'll carry it for you.
That's sweet of you.
Don't mention it.
You know, since I don't have to carry anything now, see you at the top. I won!
Baliw ka rin pala.
Huh? What did you say?
Nothing. Wala.
Come on, tell me.
I said you're crazy.
You're right. I'm crazy. Do you mind?
No, I don't. I think you're cool.
No, I think you're cool too.
What's your life in Korea like?
Stiff, like a routine. I feel like I was just following what everyone else wanted me to do. I never got to do what I wanted to do.
Ano ba yung gusto mong gawin? I mean, what do you want to do?
The truth? I don't really know yet. I'm interested in taking pictures. I want to travel and see the world. I want to meet people, to have fun. I want to do so many things, but at the same time, I don't know what to do. My parents got mad at me for taking this trip. But I just wanted to breathe, you know? Ikaw, how's your life? What made you run into the ocean naked?
Oh, pagod. That means tired. I guess I just got tired doing the exact same thing over and over again.
Looks like we're just the same. Looking for something different. Even if it's just for a little while.
Tara na?
Hold on.
Bakit? Huh? What are you doing?
Let's jump.
Ano? Are you crazy? We could get killed.
It's not that high, plus the water down there looks crystal clear.
No. There are so many things that could go wrong. What if we drown?
What if we don't? What if we make it? What if we conquer our fear? We'll jump together. It'll be okay.
Don't let go, okay? On three. 1,
2, 3!
Thank
That
you!
was awesome!
Thank you for that!
Hello, Bobby!
Itatanong ko lang sana, baka may natatago ka pang mga lumang picture niya eh. Yung sa Boracay.
At nakita ko doon ang litrato ni Jack at ni Yumi. Nadiskubre mo na ang tungkol kay Bren.
My parents are very excited already. I told you. They've been pestering me about this engagement dinner for months, right?
I didn't tell my parents.
What do you mean?
Chino, you're a great guy. You take care of me. You're always there for me. I'm sorry, Chino.
You are not going to the Philippines!
I'm doing this for myself.
Mabuhay! Welcome to the Philippines! My name is Melvin, and I will be your tour guide. Today, we are heading to the beautiful island of Boracay.
Wow, this place is beautiful. Wow, a game!
Yes!
Kosi Yumi.
Just call me Miguel. What do you want to do?
I want to travel and see the world. Have fun. I guess this is my version of running naked in the ocean.
What are you doing?
Let's jump.
There are so many things that could go wrong.
What if we make it? What if we conquer our fear? That was awesome!
Sa wakas! Nagpakita rin ng team captain natin.
Saan ka ba galing? Buong araw kang nawala.
Diyan lang, sa tabi-tabi.
Waiter! Yun yung gwaping ni Yumi ah. Akala ko ba magkasama silang dalawa ngayon?
Kanina pa tawag ng tawag ang misis mo.
Hello? Sophia? Naiwan ko sa hotel room eh. Huh? Yumi?
Who is Sophia?
She's my... Yumi, please, let me explain.
She's your wife? The one you conveniently forgot to tell me about?
Yumi, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to lie to you.
But you did! You lied to me!
Yumi, please, let me explain.
Stay away from me!
Yumi!
Yumi? Oh my gosh. Ayos ka lang ba? Kung alam ko lang, hindi na sana kita pinayagan sumama sa kanya. He told me you might be here. He left already. He took the last trip. I was going to tear this apart, but I thought I'd let you do it.
Thanks. Dearest Yumi, itong nakaraang 3 araw, ang pinakamasayang mga araw ng buhay ko. Sana balang araw mapatawad mo ko. Mahal na mahal kita, M.
So, how did the job interview go?
I got it.
Congratulations! See, I told you. 5th time's a charm. Why do you look so gloomy? Look, I know it's not the same as your old job, but it's a start, right?
Of course.
Just give it some time. You'll see. Everything's going to be fine.
What would I do without you? 안녕하세요.
Welcome to Memory Cafe. May I take your order? I'd like some peppermint tea with a little bit of honey and a slice of apple pie. What's wrong with her? Yumi, are you okay? Yumi! Huh? Her hands are cold. Get her some water. Breathe, young lady. It's all right. Just breathe. Huh? Your pulse. It's rolling. Oh, dear. I think congratulations are in order.
What? What are you saying?
Might be too early to confirm, but dear, I think you're pregnant.
Huh? Oh. What am I going to do? How do I raise a child by myself?
You need to tell your parents.
I can't! They'll kill me! They already hate me right now.
They'll still find out eventually. How about Miguel? Are you going to tell him? He is the father. He has to know.
He has a family, a wife and a son. No! I
It's
really
okay.
don't know.
You'll figure this out. We'll figure this out.
Magkukwento ka ba o hindi? Ilang buwan ka ng ganyan, ha?
Bobby, may nakilala ako sa Boracay.
Nakilala?
Babae.
May nangyari ba sa inyo? Ano nangyari to?
Hindi ko alam. Bobby, kilala mo ako. Kahit kailan hindi ako gumagawa ng kalokohan. Pero, iba siya eh. Gusto ko siyang hanapin. Gusto ko siyang sundan. Ngayon lang ako nakaramdam ng ganito.
Naririnig mo ba sinasabi mo, Jack? May asawa ka na. At si Wax. Paano anak mo? Di mo ba sila naiisip? Tatalikuran mo ba sila para lang sa babae na saglit mo lang nakilala?
Hindi. Hindi ko alam. Bobby, hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko.
Kalimutan mo na siya, Tol. Huwag mong sisiraan yung pamilya mo.
Auntie, Uncle, Yumi, how are you?
Gino, Mr. and Mrs. Park. It's been a while.
Oh, yes, it has.
Auntie? Uncle? It's good to see you.
How have you been, dear?
I've been okay.
Yumi! Yumi! You're awake.
Gino,
How are you feeling?
not so well. Mother, Father.
What happened?
Are you all right? You gave us quite a scare.
No, I'm fine. I'm sorry.
Sorry? Why are you sorry?
Are you sick?
Did someone hurt you?
No, wait, Mom.
I'm sorry, Uncle, Auntie, Mom and Dad. I'm sorry you had to find out this way. We wanted to tell you sooner, but we couldn't find the right time. We're sorry.
Son, what do you mean?
Gino, don't. You don't have to do this.
Yumi, it's all right. It's time to tell them. Mom and Dad, Uncle and Auntie, I'm the father of the baby. And Yumi and I would like to get married as soon as possible.
Gino, why did you tell everyone you're the father of my child? Why did you do that?
I'm not really sure why. All I know is that I couldn't bear to see you crying like that. I just wanted you to stop. When the doctors told us why you were unconscious, at first I was so mad. We've only been separated for a month and now you're pregnant. But while I was waiting for you to wake up, I thought of how you were feeling. I imagined how scared you must be. It's not easy raising a family, especially to raise a kid by yourself. You must be terrified.
I am. I'm terrified. But Gino, this is my mistake. This is something I have to deal with by myself.
You don't have to. I'm here for you. I'll always be here for you, Yum.
That's very generous of you, but I can't be unfair to you, Gino. I've already hurt you enough for breaking your heart. You don't deserve this.
It doesn't matter to me. All that matters to me is that you're okay. I love you. And nothing has changed that. Not even this. If you let me, I want to take care of you. And your baby. I will love him like he was my own. I will love him like I love you. He will be my son, and no one will ever know the truth. What do you say, Yumi?
I want you to know the truth. And if at the end of it, you still want to marry me, then I'll give this a chance. I don't want secrets between us.
Okay, no secrets.
Presenting for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Pork.
Aigoo, 우리 아들아. 아이고, 아들아. 우이, 아.
Come on, Yumi! Join in the fun!
I can't!
Okay, suit yourself!
아들아, 아두, 아들아. 아이고, 우리 아들아.
I'll just put this in Bren's room. Melvin, I told you I don't want to know about him.
But Yumi, he's the father of your baby. Don't you think he deserves to know?
Gino is the father of my baby. He's been there for me, for us since the beginning. Telling Miguel, Jack, whoever the hell he is, about this child will not do anybody any good. It'll just complicate things.
I have his address there, in case you change your mind. Please think about this, Yumi. Secrets like this, they eventually find a way to reveal themselves.
Should I tell him about you? But what good will it do? Dear Miguel, I'm not sure you will remember me. Although we spent 3 wonderful days together, I'm not sure if that meant to you as much as it did to me, or if I am just one of your countless others. Frankly, I'm hoping it's the latter. In truth, I actually have no desire to contact you. When things ended, that should have been it. But here I am writing. I think it's only fair that you find out the truth from me. Our affair had borne us a son.
Our affair had borne us a son!
Jack, naalala mo si Pepper? Inimbitan niya kami ni Sarah mamasyal.
Okay.
Ilang araw lang naman.
Isasama mo ba si Wax?
Hindi. I'm going out of the country.
Really? Saan?
I'm going to Korea. Balita ko maganda ang Korea this time of year.
Ganun ba?
Well, actually, Pepper wants to go because she's hunting her husband's mistress.
Kung pupunta ka sa Korea, mamasyal ka na lang. Mag-shopping. Huwag mo ubusin yung pera mo sa walang kwentang bagay.
Hindi ka naman ganun kaganda. What did my husband see in you? Hi.
Hi.
Can I ask a question? Do you know which direction is the Azuko Hotel? I was going for a walk, and then one wrong turn led to another. Now I don't have any idea where I am.
How long were you walking? Azuko is half an hour away from here.
What? Oh my gosh, that must be why I'm so tired. I guess it's my fault for not listening to my sister. She must be worried sick by now. Is there a public phone here I can use to call her? Because I left my cell phone in the hotel.
Not sure. My husband and I just moved here a few months ago.
That's all right. Well, I'll get going then. Maybe I can find a phone somewhere.
Wait, we have a phone at home. You can use it to call your sister. We don't live very far.
Oh, I wouldn't want to impose.
No, not at all.
Are you sure? Oh, thank you very much. You are so kind. I'm Alice, by the way.
I'm Yumi. Come in. Make yourself comfortable.
You have a very lovely home.
Thanks.
What a tacky
The phone is
place.
over there. I'm just going to put my son in his room.
Again, Yumi, thank you for being so kind.
Don't mention it. Have you talked to your sister?
Oh, yes. She was so relieved.
Oh, that's good to hear. Anyway, I was just about to make some coffee. Would you like a cup before you go?
That would be great.
Make yourself at home. I'll be right back.
Okay. Ikaw ang sisira sa pamilya ko. Kayo ng nanay mong malandi. Hindi ako papayag na masira mo ang pamilya ko.
Alice? Alice? Bren!
Ang magama ko. Tamang-tama ang dating ninyo. Dinner's ready. Oh, how I missed my babies.
Akala ko bukas ka pa babalik. Bakit hindi mo ako tinawagan para nasundo kita sa airport?
I missed you.
Ganun ba?
Bigla ko kasi kayong naalala ni Wax, and I just had to come home. Kain na tayo? I cooked. Oh. By the way, I got a call from Denise, yung friend ko na realtor. She found a house that she thinks we might like. Let's just take a look at it. Please?
Sige, tingnan natin.
Hinding-hindi ako papayag
ibigay mo ito sa mami mo, okay? Libre dahil ikaw ay mabait na bata.
Ha, thank you po.
Sige na, bait. Alam mo ba ang sikreto ng pagpapalago ng mga rosas, Dandoy? Walang tinik, simulat sa pool. Habang tumutubo, tinatanggalan na sila ng lahat ng balakid sa kanilang paglaki. Walang kaagaw ang bulaklak sa tubig o araw. Walang tinik, dahon o pesteng sisira sa kanyang paglago. Bago pa man mag-umpisa, pinuputol ko na.
Grandmaster, hindi ko akalain na babalik na si Coach Jimmy. Please po. Wag! Wag!
Ayoko nang magkaroon pa ng problema sa PIBA dahil sa mga pesteng hindi mo makontrol.
Opo, Grandmaster. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Salamat po, salamat, Grandmaster.
Linisin mo ang trabaho mo kung ayaw mong mapasama sa mga kalat na ipaliligpit ko sa iba.
Hindi na po kami papalya, Grandmaster. Pangako po. Salamat po, salamat po.
Pa, saglit tatawag ako ng nurse.
Mary, hindi. Sandali.
Ano po yun?
Yung USB.
Ano po yun, pa?
Tito Bobby mo. Bigay. Drawer ko.
Ano po?
Mag-ingat ka.
Sir, mawalang galang na po.
Kailangan nyo nang umalis.
Ma.
Anak, kanina ka pa ba dyan? Kumain ka na ba? Halika, papaprepare kita ng dinner.
Stop it, Ma.
Ha? Stop what?
Paano mo nagawa yun?
Ano bang pinagsasasabi mo, anak?
Narinig ko ng lahat eh.
Wax, please. Please, let me explain.
Wala ka nang dapat pang ipaliwanag. Niloko mo si Dad for 17 years.
Ako ang unang niloko niya.
So ano to? Ganti? Ang pagtatago ng sikreto na meron pa ng anak ang asawa mo, ganti? Hanip ka, Ma. Eh ako, Ma, naisip mo ba ako? O wala ka rin pakialam sa nararamdaman ko? Ngayon nalaman ko na isang malaking kasinungalingan lang pala ang buhay ko.
Wax, please!
Ladies and gentlemen, ang babaeng iniidolo at kinaiinggitan ng lahat. Oh, by the way, muntik na nga pala niya mapatay ang kapatid kong sanggol dati. Paano kayo nakakatulog sa gabi?
Ginawa ko lang yun para sa atin. Para sa'yo.
Ginawa mo yon para sa sarili mo. Kasi makasarili ka!
How dare you say that? I did everything for you. Wala kang utang na loob. Sorry. I'm sorry. Please, huwag mong sabihin sa ama mo, anak.
Hindi ako katulad mo. Haharapin ko siya tungkol dito.
Masisira ang pamilya natin. Anak, please naman.
Laos! Kala ko ba kaya mong kumanta
Ay.
kahit lasing? Wala ka pala.
Warm up lang yan. Teka. Miss, bakit pa?
Sir, magsasara na po kami.
Tore, kumanta ka pa. Pero, huwag yung ayaw malungkot.
Kaya tahanap nito eh.
Hoy! Ano ba yan? Ha? Puro strumming ka eh. Intro boy ka ba? Akin na yan. Pasubok ako yan. May alam ako. Acoustic. Ay! Ano ba? Bitawan mo nga ako.
Sir, sukli niyo po at resibo.
Thank you for coming, sir. Ingat kayo sa pag-drive, ha?
Nangaasar ka pa eh.
Hindi po, sir. Huwag po kayong susuka sa kotse niyo, sir, ha?
Salamat. Gago.
Anak, sagutin mo na ang phone. Inday! Nakita mo yan? Kailangan ko pa bang sabihin?
Opo, ma'am. Hindi po, ma'am. Hindi po, ma'am.
May bisita ba tayo? Late na. Are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. Andito ka na eh. Wala tayong bisita. Hindi ka ba pwedeng sorpresahin ang asawa mo? Ipinagluto kita. Kaldereta. Paborito mo yon, di ba? Honey, alam ko nitong mga nakaraang linggo. Things have been tense sa ating dalawa. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm really sorry.
No, I'm sorry, honey. Alam kong naging busy ako lately. Sorry, ha? Ang dami kong trabaho ngayon eh. Sa PIBA, sa negosyo.
Eh kung magbakasyon muna tayo, ilang linggo lang. Just us. Sa Paris.
Uy, kagagaling mo lang dun, ah.
Fine, kahit saan. Basta malayo dito.
Alam mo namang hindi ko pwedeng gawin yon. Malapit na ang finals.
Lagi na lang PIBA. It's okay. Alam ko. Naiintindihan ko. Hihintayin ko na lang matapos lahat yan. Alam ko kung gaano yan kahalaga sa'yo.
Sofia, thank you, sweetheart. Ang swerte ko sa'yo.
Don't you forget it. Halika, kain na tayo.
Okay.
Sayang ang niluto ko.
I miss this. I mean, us. Having a meal together. Don't you miss home, Bran?
Are we gonna talk about this again? Friend of yours?
You know, I'm here to talk some sense into you. Okay, we're here to celebrate Team Pasakla's win.
Team Posakal.
Team Posakal!
Yun!
Ano ba? Stop!
Ayun, gumising din.
Vicky? Anong oras na?
Oras na para gumising ka at umuwi sa inyo. Ginagawa mo ng hotel tong puntod ni Kuya eh. Naglasing ka na naman? Ano ba nangyari?
Wala.
Ano ba problema?
Wala nga.
Sinisikreto mo pa? Obvious naman na mayroon. Minsan, dyan niya nag-uumpisa. Sabi ni Kuya dati, kahit anong problema naaayos. Basta, mag-umpisa ka sa pagsasabi ng totoo.
Sabi niya yan? Oh, teka, saan ka pupunta?
Ang maghahanap ng sitilyo, baon ng hininga mo eh.
Ang kapal mo ah.
Tumayo ka na dyan! Punta pa ako sa practice at malamang hinahanap ka na sa inyo.
Vicky?
Yes?
Gusto mong mag-breakfast?
Libre mo.
Okay, Coach B called.
Naku! May nangyari ba kina Coach B at Vicky?
Kinig kayo. He's at the hospital.
Sabi ko na eh, may nangyari.
Hindi kanya. Coach Jimmy. He passed away last night. Si Coach kasama anak niya in the hospital.
Ay, kawawa naman. Malaking kawalan sa Green Monkeys. Asa si Vicky? Tuloy ba practice?
Siyempre. Huwag na natin antay, Vicky. Baka may mga ginagawa pa for Coach B. Ako na muna mag-run ng practice. Di ka rin masyadong gutom, no?
Tinatawag mo ba akong matakaw?
Sabi ko nga, umorder ka pa. Ako bahala.
Ang saglit lang ah. Hello? Friend? Ano? Diyos ko!
Oo nga eh. Bilin Coach, tuloy practice. Pero wala muna siya today.
Nag-aalmusal lang ako, katatapos ko lang mag-jogging. Kaya pala pagising ko, wala na siya kanina. O sige, papunta na ako dyan.
It's okay. Ako na muna bahala sa practice. Tapusin mo breakfast mo.
Ay, hindi. Nagbabayad na lang kami.
Kami? Sinong kasama mo?
Si Wax. Nakasalubong ko siya kanina.
Okay. Sige, huwag ka na sunod. Enjoy ka muna. Day off. I got this.
Sigurado ka ba?
Oo naman. Bawi ako sa'yo. Rest day ka muna.
Oh, okay. Sige. Basta sigurado ka, ha?
Yes. You take care. And tell Wax I said hello.
Miss, pwede niyo nang samahan sa baba ang mga labi ng tatay niyo.
Halika na.
May punerarya na po ba kayo? Kasi may accredited po na nakaabang sa morgue.
Ayusin po namin.
May binilin po si Papa. May pinapabigay po siya sa'yo, Coach.
Saka na yan, Lisa.
Importante daw po na sa inyo ko ibigay.
Okay. Ang asikasuhin muna natin ay ang tatay mo.
Vicky, hinahanap ka na?
Hindi. Pinapag-day off nga ako eh.
Sakto pala eh. Gusto bang lumakad?
Saan?
Di ko alam. Mall? What's wrong?
Wax. Namatay na si Coach Jimmy.
Ha?
Yun ang binalita ni Bren eh. Nasa hospital si Papa kasama si Mary.
Di mo talaga alam, no? Pag oras mo na, oras mo na.
Pwesto!
Foul! Sige, water break muna tayo.
Oh, malamig na yan. Nagpadala si Tita Baby ng yelo.
Huh? Wala bang chicha?
Kopol, may malamig na tubig ka na nga eh.
Alright, here's the thing. Okay na gameplay. Tama pwesto, pero Cowboy, wag mo bigay idea ang kalaban sa moves mo. Okay?
Ay, okay, Bren.
Wag mo isigaw. Senyas lang na hidden. Itago mo.
Para ka naman jumadya form sa chick niyan eh. Ganito.
Weh, panggangsta yan. Ganito.
Ay, Mr. Chan!
Ako, bigay sa inyong mga jacket. Di ba nanalo tayo eh? Kaya may kaunting pampagana palalo.
Yun oh, may bagong jacket.
Ito naman uniform para kay Vicky at Bobby.
Wow! May uniform pa?
May triple XL po ba?
Siyempre, melon lahat, pati si Butchoy.
Yay!
At eto, para kay Glenn.
Thank you, Mr. Chan. Hindi niyo po kailangan gawin to.
Alam mo, Glenn, basketball fans in the Philippines are like this. Pinaklalaban namin ang team. We fight for our team. You know, we lumber when the referee calls it wrong. Die hard!
Thank you! Thank you! Ang po ninyo! Thank you!
Thank you, Mr. Chan! No problem.
Alika! Dito tayo sa roller coaster.
Solid pala yung mga gusto mong rides, no?
Ay, wag mong sabihin natatakot ka.
Hindi, no? Ako matatakot. Mas mataas pa nga dito yung sinasakyan ko dati.
Yun naman pala eh. O, tara.
Yun!
Galing-galing!
Yes! 2 points!
Alright, team. That wraps up practice today.
Okay. Tala sa Binondo. Kain tayo sa Lesto lang ko.
Yan!
Let's eat, Glenn. I'll bring you to my restaurant.
Thank you, Mr. Chan. Pero nag-promise ako kay Tita Baby, tulungan ko siya sa groceries after practice.
Ay, sayang naman. Hindi pa tayo nag-celebrate, Bren.
Okay, kain na!
Mr. Chan!
Mr. Chan! Mr. Chan! Mr. Chan!
Umusog ang mga bulati sa Chan!
Ayun na!
Hoy, wala pa nga eh. Bakit pa lang?
Ayun na!
Parang nawalan ako ng isang kapatid. Pero kahit pinasok ni Jimmy ang ganong sugal, naging mabuting tao pa rin siya. Isang mabuting ama.
Kanya-kanyang diskarte, Coach.
Mukhang dead end tayo.
Alam mo, ang natutunan ko sa pagiging pulis noon, ang hintayin ng maaaring reaksyon ng mga taong involved sa krimen. Palagi silang bumabalik sa scene of the crime.
Anong ibig mo sabihin, Detective?
May susulpot din dyan. Pang-aamoy kung ano na ang nangyayari sa kaso ni Coach Jimmy. Yun ang aabangan natin.
Okay na, Tita Baby. I have money. Cash na po siguro ito.
Thank you, Bren. I-text ko sa'yo ang listahan. Okay lang ba? Baka napagod ka sa practice.
No, okay lang po. Hindi naman po ako napagod today. Train na po ako ngayon.
Oh, that's fantastic. You show them how to be like Bren.
Thank you, Tita Baby. Sige po, I'm here na sa grocery.
Okay, ingat ka. May pedicab dyan. Alam mo na. Just tell them you're my pamangkin.
K-pop! You want ride?
Thank you. Bili muna ako. Mamaya.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Ge! Abante!
Oh, sigurado ba nabusog kayo, ha?
Busog! Ay, si Junior nga po, inantok na sa sobrang busog.
Inaantok ka pala, Junior. Baka gusto mo ng kape.
Ganyan lang po yan kapag naparami ang kanin.
Baka beer. Baka gusto nyo ng beer.
Ay, pass muna kami, Mr. Chan. May laro kami bukas.
Oo nga pala. Kanta na lang tayo!
Naku, kailangan pa ho namin magpahinga para sa laro bukas.
Hindi. Maganda to. Pamparelax ang pagkanta, diba? Sige na, one song lang.
One song lang pala eh. Teka. Boss, pinutin mo nga yung 14344. I love you yan eh. Kanta ba yan? Kanta yan, Brad. Pindutin mo na lang, pare. Ako muna ha. Okay, one song lang to.
Pahabol ka na naman. Padala mo na lang yung ibang pipirmahan kong check at nagmamadali ako.
Opo, sir.
Sorry po. Sige, daan na po kayo.
It's okay. Hey, you're that important Team Pusakal. From Korea, right? I'm Jack Rivera, FIBA Commissioner.
Oh, Yes, sir. Brent Park po. Yes. Imported po.